Here we are at Jimmy's garage. I've got my 2019 YZ450. I rode this a couple of times in the summer, but she's basically brand new, bone stock. I'm gonna put all new white graphics on it from a Chirby's. I've got an S by S snow guard for it. I'm gonna be putting on a new seat cover and some graphics by Split. And then we've got some of our miscellaneous parts for the timber sled, some frame guards, and then I'm gonna be rocking this 2020 Riot kit. So I'm excited to try this out. Alright, front ski is on. I'm going to put one of these pieces here. We found that helps strengthen that a little bit from past experiences. The rear swing arm is off. So, yeah. Looks like we can start fitting the track on there. May clean that up a little bit. She's looking pretty cool. What do you think, T-Bone?
Looks like half a bike, but it's ready for snow. Yeah.
Got some plastics on here. We're gonna be pulling this off and putting on a cone filter here. Handlebars are coming off.
First ride of the season.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Woohoo!
Load it up.
Look at that.
Rock.
She looks good. Oh, Betty White and Fiona. Fiona, just in case you didn't know, is Shrek's girlfriend off of Shrek. You know, so that's what Jimmy decided to name his bike. 40 degrees today and raining in Coeur d'Alene. But there's a little bit of break in the sky. Hopefully there's some snow up above on the mountain, because down here there's not much. Anyway, let's go do some riding.
Burke, Idaho, here we are. See what we got. Hey, it's not raining right now, so we're doing good.
It's not raining, so that's good.
Close.
We're gonna go down this trail over here, and we're gonna see, I don't know if you can see the mountains way up in the distance there. It looks like it snowed up there a decent amount, so we'll see.
It's a little test and tune day.
That's right, test and tune. So, from the truck, we're at the top of a mountain now. Jim,
hey, what's
look
up?
at the snow difference up here. It's insane. This is actually starting to get good. Like, we're actually not even on the trail right now. The trail's over there, but we're like, I mean, you could ride. I think
might be 3 feet on the ground.
there's not much of a base. Yeah, it needs to settle and get in, but man, it's honestly, I'm surprised.
Yeah,
It
from
took
down
us
there.
took us 10 minutes to get up here. This is kind of cool. You can just see the clouds. I should do like a time lapse. Just whoa. Betty White's looking good. Oh, yeah. She is sexy.